Joins me right here in the studios. Avinnash, thank you so much. Good to have you back. Want to just get your sense of how the market is looking right now, and tonight the big Fed meeting decision as well. Is the market anticipating or hoping that they'll soften their stance?
No, I think so, Anu, because my guess is I think looking at the kind of macro picture in the US economy, I think I won't be surprised if they probably take a pause now, and probably the next rate hike could possibly come in the month of June.
Okay.
But I think what commentary Janet Yellen speaks out is going to be very important, how the Dow reacts, because clearly if there are signals that probably the next rate hike could be a more sharper rate hike, that could be something which probably the emerging markets would not like. And I think like any emerging markets, we've seen a lot of FI outflows already happening on a consistent level. So I think let's wait and watch. But I think overall this meeting doesn't seem to be any rate hike likely to come in, at least tonight.
But no rate hike tonight. But is the market hoping that the 100 basis point doesn't happen through the year, because the economy pointers, the earnings pointers, from the likes of an Apple all the way down to the manufacturing sector, nothing seems to suggest that the economy is in good shape, even in the US.
No, I think clearly that's the reason. Probably for another 3 months, probably even the Fed would like to look at macro numbers, do the number crunching, and then actually arrive at a decision, because obviously numbers don't suggest that a rate hike at least looks imminent in the very near short term. But obviously obviously if there are some indicators that probably corporate results or maybe the economy picks up, then the kind of range which earlier the Fed has mentioned the rate hike could come in. I think that is something which at least as of now looks to be a little remote possibility, looking at the macro numbers.